Chapter 2, Internal Data Representation in Computers. Number systems used in computers. Number systems are of two types. First is non-positional and second is positional. In non-positional number system, we have symbols such as I for 1, I for 2, I for 3, etc. Each symbol represents the same value regardless of its position in a number, and to find the value of number, one has to count the number of symbols present in the number. So basically there are some number systems in which only symbols are present for every number. In a positional number system, there are only few symbols called digits. These symbols represent different values depending on position they occupy in number. The following three considerations determine the value of each digit in such a number. First is the digit itself, second is the position of digit in number, and third is base of the number system. The base is defined as a total number of digits available in number system. That means base 10 number system, base 2 number system, etc. The first digit is always 0, hence maximum value of single digit is always equal to 1 less than value of the base. As an illustration, let us consider a decimal number system that we use in our day-to-day life. So decimal number system is a common which is used in our day-to-day life. In this system, base is equal to 10. So the base is maximum numbers which are present in that system. So in decimal number system, base is 10 because there are altogether 10 symbols or digits, that is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Each position represents a specific power of the base 10. For example, decimal number 2586 written as 2586 to the base 10 consists of a digit 6 in unit position, 8 in tens position, 5 in hundreds position and 2 in thousands position, and its value can be written as 2 into 10 raised to 3 plus 5 into 10 raised to 2 plus 8 into 10 raised to 1. So this is basically about decimal number system. Now binary number system. In binary number system, the value of base is 2. So since there are only two digits, that is 0 and 1, so the base is 2 here. The largest single digit is 1, which is 1 less than base. Each position in binary number represents a power of the base, that is 2. Therefore decimal equivalent, in binary number system there are only two numbers, 1 and 0. Now bit, 1 and 0 are two bits which are used in binary number system.